What is the Pomodoro Technique?
The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method developed in the late 1980s. It breaks your workday into focused intervals, usually 25 minutes long, called Pomodoros, followed by short breaks. This cycle helps boost concentration and makes large tasks feel more manageable, giving your brain regular opportunities to recharge throughout the day.
Why digital interruptions hurt productivity?
Digital interruptions, like social media notifications, email alerts, and instant messages, can divert your attention, causing a drop in productivity. Each interruption disrupts your flow, making it harder to refocus and finish tasks efficiently. Reducing these interruptions is essential for deeper concentration and higher work quality.
Setting up for fewer distractions.
Before starting a Pomodoro, silence your phone. Close unnecessary browser tabs and log out of distracting apps. Set clear intentions for what you want to accomplish during the next focused session. This preparation ensures you're ready to work without digital interruptions, pulling your attention away.
How to run a focused Pomodoro session.
Work on a single task for 25 minutes using a timer. This is your Pomodoro. Don't let notifications or messages pull your focus. If a distraction pops up, jot it down and address it after the session. After the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break to relax, stretch, or check messages if necessary.
Building consistency for lasting results.
Repeat the Pomodoro process for several cycles, taking longer breaks after every 4th session. Consistent use of this technique trains you to concentrate deeply and builds resistance against digital distractions. Over time, you'll find it easier to stay focused, get tasks done faster, and enjoy more free time.